Legs up the wall pose. From seated, take your left hip to the wall so that the hip and the wall are touching. Exhale, gently swing your legs up the wall and come to lie down on your back. Get your seat closer or further away from the wall as you prefer. Legs firm, hips width distance apart, and feet flexed. Lengthen the back of your neck and soften your throat. Let your sternum lift towards the chin, shoulder blades away from the spine, hands and arms out at your sides with palms up. Breathe deeply. Close your eyes and rest.